Best damn corn you can buy. Y'all get a look at this and see how quick them deer come in. Best corn you can buy. Y'all see Fred? Fred's right there. Say hi to Fred. What's up, Fred? Fred's my buddy. He's actually my inside informant. Shh. It's okay, Fred. I won't tell anybody about you. Let's flip the camera. There we go. See, there's Fred. Okay, Fred, I'm going to leave in about 10 minutes and you can come back. Okay? Just come back. Don't you come after me neither. All right, Fred. You can come and eat.